Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start now. Make sure your iPhone has enough charge and is on Wi-Fi or cellular so changes save properly. Open Settings, then tap Cellular to see active plans. Look for the ESIM entry labeled with your carrier or a custom name. This tells you which line you're about to modify. Once you see it, tap that plan to enter the ESIM controls. This is the first actionable step to turn the ESIM off safely, so proceed carefully. You'll now choose whether to disable or remove the ESIM. Tap the plan, then either toggle off Turn on this line to keep the profile but stop service, or select Remove Cellular Plan to delete it from the iPhone. Make sure you read the confirmation prompt, because removing the plan clears the profile locally. Your carrier account might still exist. If you only want to stop data or calls temporarily, turn the line off. Remove only if you want the profile gone. Once done, restart your iPhone to ensure the network updates and settings refresh properly. After reboot, return to Settings, right arrow Cellular, and confirm the ESIM line is off or removed. You should no longer see it active. If you still get service or the line reappears, make sure the carrier didn't push a profile. Try re-adding or removing via the carrier app. Troubleshooting tip: if the ESIM won't disable, call your carrier. They can deprovision the profile or send.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.